Have you ever told yourself that I'm bad with money or I'll probably never grow rich? If so, then you're stuck in what is known as a fixed money mindset. What if I told you that there is a way that by changing the way you think about money, you can start building wealth irrespective of where you're starting from? Hello everyone, this is Shami Helens and welcome back to Yourwealth India, where we talk about financial education and awareness. This is the second video on the Personal Wealth Management 101 series and it's called Fixed versus Growth Money Mindset. We're talking about what money mindset is. Your money mindset is your belief system about money, how you think about earning, saving, spending and investment. These beliefs shape your financial decisions and ultimately your financial future. This is something we talked about in detail in our previous video. If you haven't checked it out, please do. I'll share the details of the video link in the video description below. Now let's talk about fixed money mindset. People with this kind of mindset often think, I'm just bad with my money. I'll never be rich. Investing is too risky. Only the wealthy people can do it. They believe that financial success is out of their control. It is something that people are either born with or kind of lucky to have. And this kind of thinking leads to bad financial habits like overspending, not budgeting, avoiding investments, and thereby living paycheck to paycheck. Now let's talk about growth money mindset, the mindset of wealth builders. Instead of saying I'm bad with money, they would say I can learn to manage and grow my wealth. If I don't know something about money, I can educate myself. Investing may seem risky, but with right knowledge, I can make informed decisions. People with growth money mindset understand that financial success isn't just about luck. It's about learning and taking small, consistent actions. So how do you shift from fixed money mindset to growth money mindset? Well, here are 3 powerful steps. Step 1. Challenge your beliefs. Write down one negative money belief that you have. Now replace it with a new belief. For example, instead of I'm bad with money, say I'm learning how to manage my money better every day. Step 2. Take small actions. Start tracking your spending. Read one book, watch a video, or take a free course on personal finance. Step 3. Surround yourself with right information. Follow the people who talk about financial growth and success. Watch financial news daily. Join communities where money is discussed positively. So here's the truth. Your mindset about money is not something set in stone. You can change it. And when you do, your financial habits will start changing too. Here's a challenge. Drop a comment below and share one old money belief that you're replacing with a new empowering one. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, because in the next video we are going to dive into understanding of financial goals and wealth stages, a key step in your wealth building journey. So see you there.